Here we are. Oh God, I'm already gonna cry. Here we are at Tanglewood in the Berkshires, a place that has meant so much to my family for so long, and now is a place that is so special to us.
When Kaitlin first asked me to officiate her wedding, I was honored, but also worried that I wouldn't know what to say. How could I summarize more than 30 years of knowing Kaitlin and 5 years of knowing Michael into a short speech? But a few months ago, Kaitlin told me about an adventure that she and Michael shared in their Jersey City apartment building, and as soon as I heard that story, all of my doubts about what to talk about dissolved. So Kaitlin had been out running some errands and had returned to their apartment building and had texted Mike that she was back and would be back up to the apartment shortly. But when shortly arrived, Kaitlin didn't. Mike realized that if she had been delayed coming up and did not text to explain the delay, there was only one explanation. She must have been trapped in one of their building's not great elevators with no cell reception. So he dashed down to the lobby to talk to the building management. They realized that an elevator cab had gotten stuck between two floors, and Mike dashed off again to get to one of those floors so that he could talk to Kaitlin through the closed doors and make sure that she was all right. Now, to be clear, Mike is not a firefighter. Mike is not an elevator technician. On a practical level, there was nothing that he could do to help the situation. But he was there anyway, and he was there first. And that's the kind of partner that I want for my little sister.
I see it now with you. It'll never be the same. The start of my heart, a river washing over me.
Kaitlin, I feel so honored and blessed standing beside you today. You are the most beautiful person I have ever met. They say nobody is perfect, but you are. Every day I wake up, I can't believe how beautiful you are and how lucky I am. Waking up next to you every day is a blessing that I'm extremely grateful for and will never take a single day for granted. Today I promise that I will always honor you, always put you first, always be encouraging in anything you want to do, always do my best to make your days better. I promise to always be here for you in good times and in bad. I promise I'll always do my best to create happy memories. I promise to be the best version of me today and even better tomorrow. I can honestly say I'm marrying my best friend, my soulmate. I love you very much.
The Berkshires is not the easiest place in the world to live. The fact that you were able to fall in love with the Berkshires as you fell in love with each other before your marriage, I think bodes very well for your marriage itself. There will be times where it's cold and snowy. There will be times you're stuck in the mud. There will be sunny days you think will never end, but then there'll be a thunderstorm. But the thought occurred to me that if in living in such a place, quite beautiful, but also quite challenging, that's a great preparation for marriage.
Most of life is made up of small moments. Those little everyday things that you don't think much about. And you can tell a lot about a person by the way that they handle and approach those small moments. And the good news is that I love doing those small things with you. I love going to Target with you. And not just because you push the cart and you pick up the heavy things. I love that you drag me over to the Halloween decorations and hit all the try me buttons to see what kind of spooky sounds they make. I love that you fill the cart with frozen veggies so I eat something green. I love that you wait patiently while I painstakingly pick out a nail polish that is just slightly different than the one I picked out last time. I love all those things about you, and I love doing that with you. So my vow to you on this big moment day, this very special day, is to always enjoy the big and the small moments together. Because that's what life is about, and I can't wait to do more of it with you. I love you.
I love you. So beautiful. I'm so happy.